Hey everybody, welcome back, Stonebrook Adventure. Today we're going to take an up-close look at my latest project I've been working on. This is a 12 by 20 Domi Outdoor Living Gazebo. This thing is really nice, has a lot of features. Took me 3 days to install. Could have knocked it out in 2 days if I had a little bit of help. But let's get in close and look at some of the features on this thing. We've got our nice little sanctuary set up. We got our furniture inside. We have fire pit. But first thing when I unpackaged this thing that I noticed was the nice finish on this. It has this nice enamel hammered texture, really solid, real solid enamel finish. You can see the material on this thing is really nice. This is the second Domi Outdoor Living product that I've installed. I installed one for a neighbor, liked it so much that I got one for myself, but they've had theirs up for going on 3 years now. And the material, the canvas material, is still looks brand new. I don't know what that's made out of, but it's some sort of a synthetic canvas. It feels like it's waterproof, real high-end material. There's nothing cheap about this gazebo. So the entire structure is made out of aluminum. The roof pans themselves are steel. They have the same texture on it. Comes with the screen enclosure. Comes with the canvas enclosure, which is real nice. You can close this thing up in the winter time, maybe put a little heater under it, keep things warm in the winter, keep the bugs out during the summer, close it up halfway to keep the shade on you. But it's really nice. It's a really sturdy, I mean, I was extremely impressed by the quality of this thing when I got it. I say it took me 3 days to install it, but I really took my time. I only worked on it a few times during the day because it is summertime, it's hot. Probably 30 minutes of that, I had to have 3 people helping just because this is such a large structure. I had to stand the walls up. When I had to stand the walls up, 3 people. Other than that, I did the whole thing all by myself. Let's look inside here. And another one of the cool little features is it has these hooks up in the peak of the roof, and we have a fan light attached. You can actually go online and buy some really nice decorative fan lights that'll hook into these pergolas, give it a really, really nice look. Around the top perimeter, you have the vented roof, so it won't get real hot under here in the summertime. That heat will vent right out of that screen enclosure. Nice screen enclosure around the top. Keeps the bugs from coming in and lets the heat out. The screens on this is seamless operation. Right, you got the tie backs on this, and you can either have the screens installed or not. Nice plastic zippers. Those zippers won't corrode. Right there you have the screen enclosure. That's definitely gonna keep the mosquitoes out. The tolerances on this, the measurements and tolerances on this are really tight. Everything matched up perfect on this. I didn't run into one problem during the installation on this with holes not lining up. Everything worked out perfect. Let's go ahead and look at the canvas enclosure on this. Same thing, just seamlessly. Just close that right up. Your zipper is closed from the top down, so you don't have to worry about the zipper coming undone. Right, so you can close this thing up. Let's go ahead and give a little privacy from the neighbors. What's nice about this is it has this double track system for the curtains. So you can have your canvas, but you can also close the screen over the canvas. We closed off the back. We don't have to worry about the neighbors looking in. It actually provides quite a nice privacy area, almost like a privacy fence. This 12 by 20, it feels like it's the perfect size for our backyard. Plenty big enough. We can sit out here in our little sanctuary area, but we can also come over here, use our grill underneath. We could set a table up here. We have our fire pit sitting outside. Another really nice feature of this thing is it has this gutter rail system. Really low profile, you can't even tell it's a gutter. We're gonna take a close look on that. But when it's raining, no water drips off the edges. It all comes down in this gutter system. It comes out of these holes right here on the bottom. All the water drains down on the corners of the gazebo. Let's look up close and I'll show you what that gutter system looks like.
So you can see here you have this nice gutter system. Nice concave gutter. All that water is going to catch. You're not going to have any drip over the edge of the gazebo. It runs the whole perimeter around the roof line. Yeah, all the panels on this thing line up. It's actually just a beautiful addition to the backyard. Nice tropical feel. They say our little sanctuary.
So you can see we have 3 sides closed in on this. We have the screen on that side. If it was raining, you could shut the curtains down and keep that rain from blowing in. This thing would be an awesome setup for a wedding or some sort of a function.
Yeah, I'm really happy with the way this project turned out. It's a great addition to the backyard. The installation was easy. The instructions were really easy to read. Just all around, very impressed with the quality of Domi Outdoor Living products.
So if you like this project, thinking about doing this for yourself, I got a link down below. Just click that link. It'll take you right to the site where you can purchase one of these. So from Stonebrook Adventure, until next time, bloop.